Hey, so I've just spent a lovely night at the Berida Hotel in Bowral in the New South Wales Southern Highlands, and I arrived at 8 p.m. last night in my Tesla just with having only 20% charge. And I chose this hotel because it offers destination charging. I just wanted to show you, some hotels do this, but they typically just have maybe one charge point or two. But they've really made a big investment here, which is great to see. So when I turn around, you can see behind me there's a row of charge points there, and you can see here that they've installed not just one charger or charge pole, but there's actually 5 poles here, and each pole has two chargers on it that you can plug into. So you've got a total of 10 charge points here, which the only car currently plugged in, the only EV, is mine over there, the Tesla Model 3. There's 2 ICE vehicles at the end, but they're tradies that are doing some job on the roof here. So ultimately they'll be able to accommodate 10 electric vehicles, or guests with 10 guests with electric vehicles at any one time, which is really great. That, you know, it's great to see that they've actually made this investment a kind of build it and they will come investment, where they're planning for the future when more and more people are driving EVs. And of course, one of the things that helps people make that decision to buy an EV is knowing that they can get charging when they arrive at their destination. So I arrived last night with just 20% in the battery, and now I've charged back up to 90% overnight. These are 11 kilowatt chargers, 3-phase, so they're reasonably fast, certainly for an AC charger, and perfect for that top up overnight while you're staying in the hotel. This is truly a lovely hotel to stay in too. I would give it definitely 5 stars. It's got fantastic restaurant food, great wine list, amazing gin list, and also a whiskey drinking room. And yeah, beautiful comfortable beds, air conditioned rooms. They even have a mini bar. Can you imagine that? Remember the mini bars? Most hotels have got rid of them now, but there's still a really well stocked mini bar in this hotel. And just one last thing also about these chargers here at the Berida Hotel. They also enable non-Tesla EVs to charge. So if you're driving a EV other than a Tesla, there's a scan code you can scan on the charge post, and you can log in and arrange for payment and charge your car. So it's really great to know that these are kind of vendor agnostic chargers, and anyone who stays here with an EV will be able to charge their car. So I highly recommend this hotel as a stopover point if you've got an EV, or even as a destination for a nice weekend away. It's a beautiful hotel and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.